Yeah, but like I said, it was way over yonder, over there. You know where over yonder is, Shelly?
We love our tractors.
Yeah.
Tell you what.
Yeah, we're rednecks. We live in Kentucky.
Tell you what, we were walking down the road and I saw somebody throwing their trash out their car, and I said, no, says I ain't gonna let nobody hurt this poor little earth. Tell you what, man, it just pinches my tit. Just
Yeah, earlier you said your titty hurt, and I see a white truck. And I see a white truck there.
and see, and I told him if anybody's gonna have sex with my sister, it's gonna be me.
Yeah, we live in
Hey,
Kentucky.
look at that boy over there. He sure is cute. Too bad he ain't my cousin.
Shoo-wee, is that them? I know they're driving a nice truck like that. Do you think